President Tolentino. First Vice President Panlilio. Second Vice President Gomez. Treasurer Canlas. Internal Auditor Karinga. Executive Board Member
Sir, Father, tayo na rin po kayo. Commissioner po. Yan po. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay na.
Sir, for New Year's, anong sinabi
Yeah,
sir?
the GA, the General Assembly had spoken. I think the performance was the basis. Yun nga sinasabi ko. Hindi naman para sa amin to eh. Hindi para sa akin, hindi para sa POC, para sa bayan at saka sa atleta to. That's it. Performance ang naging
First order of
speaks for itself.
business. Your first order of business.
Well, we will continue what we've started, of course. United, transparency, yung platform namin to sustain more for the athletes.
Yung mga Secretary Generals mo,
Yeah. Technically, of course. Siguro naman, nagsalita na yung General Assembly, wala na. 45? 45. Invitation ko, 44 lang. Sumabura pa na isa. Okay, so salamat sa lahat. Pati sa inyong lahat, sa media. Salamat sa inyong lahat. Thank you.